Welcome to Volume 11, Issue 29 of the Milestone Investing Market Intelligence Bulletin. This week's ex-dividend date is the 18th of July 2024. Let's have a look what happened last week in the FTSE 100. The FTSE 100, this is where we were last week on a rising channel. This is Thursday, this is Friday. So this is last week where we're kind of moving up to a long-term trend ceiling, which is right here. This trend ceiling started approximately 20 years ago, and we're in this kind of inclining slope which goes back 20 years, and you can see we broke it around here, but we're basically just underneath it. So this is our long-term ceiling, and this is where we were last week. So we're in a slightly rising trend. So let's have a look at our contender for paying dividends last week. Halma was trading between this green ceiling and this red floor. The company gapped down from here and it hit nearly the floor of the bearish drop zone, went back up into the bullish drop zone, the two purple lines of bullish drop zone, ceiling and floor, and then it basically bounced around, up, down, and then by about just before 1 o'clock in the afternoon, it started to make its way up. It then ran out of steam at 3:30, and then it came back down and closed at 4:30. The market then opened, and then it started to drift down, climbed back up again, came back down, zigzag sideways, and towards the end of the day, it started to rise. And it basically finished on Friday at the peak, near the peak of Thursday. And then on Monday, it gapped down, touched the bullish drop zone for a very short period of time, and then it started to make a very bullish run to the finishing line. Finishing line being the highest point of Wednesday. That means once it crosses this line, everybody who came in on Wednesday got their money back. And you had the opportunity here, here, and obviously here. And then it started to come back down again, and then it closed at 2,666. So for short traders, for the professional short traders, made a return between 4 and 36% as professional short traders, and non-professional short traders made between 1 and 10% when it hit this point. For the long traders who picked up those dividends and went long, professionals got a 9.8% derivative yield, non-professionals got a 2.5% derivative yield. And you can see by Monday evening, everybody got a chance to get their money back. And you can also see by 3:30 on the Thursday, most traders who went long got the chance to get the money back. So most got it here, most got their money back here, and everybody got their money back here. Okay, this week, there are no dividends being paid out to the FTSE 100 companies. And as a consequence, we are going to be having a dividend fishing holiday for this week. Okay, so what about next week? What can we expect next week? Well, next week we have one candidate, and that one candidate is SSE, which is a Southern Scottish Electric company, a utility company. They're paying a dividend to their shareholders, approximately 2.4%. The derivative for professionals is going to be 52.8%. And the derivative for non-professionals will be 11.9%. So that's what we can expect as our candidate on the 25th of July. Words of wisdom from Benjamin Franklin, one of the founding fathers of the United States Constitution. Without continual growth and progress, such words as improvement, achievement, and success have no meaning. This is Miles from Milestone Investing. That's all for this week. Happy investing. Take care. Bye now.